Pabili po. Ano po yun? Dalawang manok at saka steak. Okay. Ano? Manok? Apa, dalawa at saka steak at saka yung tomato. Aray mo, ang dami. Hungry na po ako. Yan na lang, Tay! Yan na lang. Ang laki neto eh. Papalutuin mo na to ha. Okay, hintayin ko na lang. Okay na ate. Okay na. Thank you. 8 years old na si Jewel. Thank you. Eh kaso, wag mo lang gayahin ako kasi ako mayroon regla na wala na. Masakit yung ano, puson ko nun. Pipindutin ko. Pabili. Ano ba? Manok. Ilan? Dalawa. Okay. Ano pa ba? Steak. Okay. Tapos litos. Dami naman di. Kasi gutom na gutom. Okay, luluto ko muna to. Ano ba? Maghintay na lang. Here go. Yay! Goodbye. Alis! Tapos na! Ayos na! Go! Pabili! Ano ba? Manok? Ilan? Isa! Okay! Ano pa? Tomao. Ano pa? Leos. Okay na po? Opo. Lutuin lang muna gaya. Okay. Tapos na. Yutuin. Hiyoko. Konnichiwa. You're welcome. Konnichiwa, girl. I'm not a konnichiwa, girl. Hi guys, we're going to cook some ice cream. Oh my gosh. Yay! Yay! Ice cream. Ice cream. No ice cream. Go get your milk. Mommy, are you done? I'm done drinking my milk. Oh my gosh, yay, yay, yay! It's a chicken, guys. Chicken. I hate tomato. I'm dating it. No ditching it. Yeah. Mommy, can I have some steak? No. We can have it when you eat your vegetables. Okay. Ching! Food is ready. Here. Ako sa nanay ko. Bigyan ko ba siya o hindi? Here. Tanungin mo. Yay! Wala yung mami ko dito. Malas. I'm done. I'm done. Wag! Mommy, I'm hungry. What do you want to eat? I want chicken and vegetables. You need vegetables first. Yeah, I said vegetables. Okay, go play with your friend. Yay! 6 or 7? 6 na lang. 6 na lang? Okay. Naka-on na, te! Ulit! Daughter! What, mommy? Why is this like... What? What made... I want chicken, egg, and steak, and vegetables. Bye, I'm going to my friend's house. Bye. Okay, come back at 6. What? Someone almost trying to kidnap my classmate. Okay, let me move it. You come here. Some vegetables. Some. Ang dami naman, Jewel. Mommy, can you be faster? Okay, that's enough. Give me my plate. Ah! Okay, that's enough. Sweetie? Yeah? What is your breakfast today? Vegetables. And steak. Okay, go to your place. Go to your friend's house. Thank God. Somebody's trying to kidnap me. Then, use this. Here. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Give me that. Okay. Bye. Bye. Sorry. Sorry. Sticker image. Daughter. Daughter, come here. I just poked the kidnapper in the eye. Here you go. Thank you. Then go outside with your friends. Go. Bye, because I'm gonna go to my friend's house. Okay, I gotta go wash the dishes first. Mommy? Yes, sweetie? What you doing? I'm washing the dishes. I point. Yes, you get it. Give me the point now. Please. I want to eat. I want to work. I know, I heard you, okay? Yay. Okay. What should you eat? Steak, chicken, 2 chickens, and vegetables. I mean, no 2 chicken, only 1 chicken, please. Not that, mommy. It's this. That's because you like biggers. I want lettuce only and steak. And that's enough. You fried it, okay? You don't know how to fry. Oh. Excuse me? Did you just say a bad word? Ting! It's done. Mommy. Yeah? What is I dinner today? I just woke up, bro. Look at your eyes. Just go back to sleep and I will call you. Okay. Blah! Okay. Mommy, can you be fast? Okay. I've been waiting for hours ago. No, it's been a second ago. No, it's been a minute ago. Mommy, can I go outside? Okay. Please. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. I'll call you, okay? Okay. Mommy. Yeah? I'm back. Why is your voice so deep?
I don't know.
I'm blushing. I'm just blushing. Okay. You are grounded, young lady. Fine. Your grounded is over until dinner. No way. That is cheating. Young lady, what are you doing? Young lady, come back here. You are grounded, young lady. Not ground. See. See. Dinner is ready. See. Good. You mine. Thank you. Hindi mo daw alam meron akong superpowers. Ah, man! Gawin ka, guys! Okay! Liking the Oh, my! Ano ba here? You are grounded. Ha, lock's gone. Lock's gone. Kaya dito namin yung baby na. Okay? Ay, basti. Kung hindi mo sa baby, di ba?
What is going on?
Gary nga, ito yung baby, di ba? Di ba lumabas na kanina yung little sister?
Ma!
No. Ako nga yung little sister. No.